spank that butt. Let me spank that butt.
Can you hold the fucking light straight?
Thank you.
Can I get a few words?
Sorry.
Oh shit! Oh my god, go inside!
Would you like a treat?
You're one ugly little dog.
Oh no, don't roll out!
Aren't you supposed to do something? Clee, come here. Come here.
Kona. Oh shit. Kona! Oh my god. He's a real Mexican!
Blaze, grab your puppuccino, dude. What the heck?
Are you serious?
Good morning.
Parkour!
What is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Only when I ain't in bed on my own, and I wake up and I see your name on my
piece of his own brain out of his head. Yeah, that was fucking insane.
He's a good boy. Did you hear about the neighbor? She said her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy?
Oh, my fault, bro.
Clee, come here. Come here.
Hey, Mom. You mind?
I just found a fucking bed bug in the bed.
Scout, you better move.
Ma'am. Ma'am, that is not ladylike.
Bebé, sonríe.
Gentle.
Who did this mess? Cody, did you make this mess?
I love it. Can I pet that dog?
No.
Can I pet that dog?
You
Can I pet that dog?
No, he's
Can I pet that dog?
What the fuck?
Do Superman, do Superman, do Superman.
You want it to go out, now go. Yeah, I did.
Parkour!
Bang!
Is there a wild animal in our house? Who did this?
Ow!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marshall. Happy birthday to you.
Catch it.
Whee!
Why is the neighbor's golden retriever pregnant? I'm not even mad. I just want to know how you did it. Yeah.
He's a good boy. Did you hear about the neighbor? She heard her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy?
Oh my God, no!
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry.
And that makes me question getting married. Can you
How to speak my dog's language.
Where's the teeth? Show us.
Lord! Oh my God.
It's me and the girls.
No bite.
Jaden, go outside.
Theodore, where's Chippy? Fifi, where's Chip?
Not your seat. That's not your seat, Nacho. That's Leo's seat. Come on, move over. Nacho, that's Leo's seat. Move over, Nacho.
Big smile, Holly. A good girl.
Oh, you sweet angel thing. Oh, you're so sweet. Take you anywhere. Hey, stop.
Bark at your dog.
Roof!
We gotta stir it up good, right? Stir it up. Stir it up.
Run.
Spider! Spider! Run the spider!
You're a cute one. Do you like squeaky toys?
Thanks for holding the drink.
Take a bite of it.
Birthday cookie. Yes. The maple, you're gonna say maple!
Cyrus, the people want to know. Can we get an awoo?
Not your seat. That's not your seat, Nacho. That's Leo's seat. Come on, move over. Nacho, that's Leo's seat. Move over, Nacho. Come on. Oh my God. High five. Too slow.
Okay.
Hey, no. Hey, you have your own bed. Remember how nice it is? Don't you want to sleep in that one? Then I will.
Hands in.
No, I hope a big booty girl that loves tacos and dogs doesn't follow me home. Sadie, quit eating those. I'm trying to find you a mom.
Just a regular day driving around with
My box full of puppies!
Brando.
And then what happened? Mama didn't let you. Oh no.
Lesbians. Oops.
Tommy, no! Hey! Are you kidding me?
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished.
No. Hey, you have your own bed. Remember how nice it is? Don't you want to sleep in that one? Then I will.
Inside. You wanna come in?
You cannot go turkey hunting with me.
Paw. Thanks, Jasper.